Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a fully responsive Shopify comparison table like Blim theme. So you know about the Blim theme, which is a very high converting product selling Shopify website. So this is the main comparison table, and we have 6 variations. I mean 6 preset which you can create easily like that. So there are lots of variation you can create with our table. So let's go for that how to create the table. At first, go to your Shopify theme, then then go to the 3 dot and click edit code. Okay, and then here collapse this template and then open this section. Now click create a new section, then here write the name of the table, for example comparison table, or you can write anything here, that's not a big deal. Great, the file has been created. Now check out the video description. There you will find a link where you can just download the code and copy and paste and do it. So here we set a very minimal price for you, and from here just claim it and download the code. And from here you can just need to open the file and select all and copy this, and after that going back here select this and clear this, and then paste the code that you copied just now. Then click the save and go to here and click the customize option. Now you can add this comparison table to anywhere else of the page, because it's a section. So for example, if you want to add this section in the product page, so for that go to the products and click on this. Perfect. Then here I want to add this section here. Okay, so search about comparison. Okay, so you find Blim comparison table here, and the magic comes here. So it's showing the section here, it's looking great. So at first let's check how to edit this content. So if you want to edit this content, you can just write here, for example painless. Then if you for example this store it's painless, and the other store is no, it's not painless. So then for example if you want to write costly, so for example this store it's costly, and other store is the product is not costly, other stores has the costly. So this way you can write the way how you want to show on to your visitors. And if you want to decrease this row size, so you can decrease it, or if you want to increase the row size, then you can increase it. For example, if you want to comfortable, okay, and yes, and if you want to check the box and both for 2, and you can do it this. So for example we already write it comfortable, then if you want to drag this on the above, so you can do it very easily. So it's worked very well. Now go for the customization options. You can through the customization you can create the all variations like that. Okay, so by the way, we already created there you will find option that's the variations, and there you will find the other 5-6 codes which you can create the variation by customizing this option. So you can create the same output at like this, but we use the template for you, so it will be just like copy and paste. So now go for how to do the customization. So from here you can do the all customization here. For example, you can change the headline text from that you can change the text, then you can change the font size of the headline, then you can change the color of this headline from here. Then this is for the description, you can change the description text here, the description text color. After that, the description text size you can also change it from here. After that, that is for the comparison. So you want to change your own store logo here, you can upload your logo, and here you can use it here. For example, you can upload it and it's changed. Okay, done. Then you can change the logo size by increasing or decreasing here. After that, you can change the comparison text, any other text, for example Shopify X or any other company name here. Then the customization option, you can change the font feature text color from here, and also you can change the color like that. So After that, you can feature background color. You can change it, the background color from that, and you can change at your own color. Then table shadow color, this is for the shadow color. You can use some little bit whiter, so the color looks like great. Then the border color, so you can change the border color from here. Yeah, perfect. Then go for the section background color. You can use a full background color for the whole section. So let's click this color for that. Okay, perfect. Then if you want to give a rounding aids on the section, so you can section round do this way. Perfect. So after that, if you want to use okay, before check, it looks really great, and it's fully mobile responsive. You can also see that. Perfect. Then okay, so then go for the single column. So if you single column, the text goes up and the table goes below, and comparison table only, so the text will be just hidden and the comparison table only shows here. So this way you can do lots of customization, create variations like we created the 5 or 6 variations for you. So you can do this your own way, and you can also let us know that which feature can help you a lot, so you can mail us and we'll try to add them. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.